I figured I'd show you my way of planting okra. I don't have a tiller or any of those other fun stuff like a tractor. That'd be nice. But got myself a shovel, and here you can see I've already dug one. I'm just skimming the next one. But I've done my entire garden bed this way. It's not the smallest garden, but it just shows you, if you don't have a tiller, there's still a way to make it work. You don't have to have fancy stuff. And I know my rows aren't straight, but I don't really care about that crap. So just as long as it grows and produces, then that's all there is to it. I use what's called a version of a triple dig method or a double dig method, except instead of actually moving the dirt, I just simply dig it all in place, and then I come through and I chop it up really fine to allow my seeds to grow. And just be careful not to put anything heavy on top of your seeds, but I always try to go down to the foot pads on the shovel. That's just a good rule of thumb. I want to get these dug, and I'll come back and show you. Just a piece of advice: if you are doing it this way, once you start your first little hole and you start moving away, just come over a few inches. This makes it much easier to slice down through the soil and break it up. And I'm basically just going to do this in 3 directions. Hit it once going this way, hit it once going this way, and I'll probably hit it another time going this direction. And then afterwards, I'll just go and I'll do one of those numbers all across the whole thing and make it nice and pretty. And that way, it'll hopefully allow me to grow my desired fruit in there. Alright, so we got our rows dug. And our pre-soaked okra. All I'm going to do here is I'm just going to spread it out in here, just not too thick, because that's more work I have to do later. And then I'm just going to cover it all up by hand. Just make sure I use nice and fine dirt. So, put you some seeds in there. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to break up some dirt so it's nice and friendly. We don't need the dirt hurting the seeds. We don't need the seeds starting off their life through a lot of pain and suffering, So I'll just cover them up. So that's what I'm going to do. Just use my hands, and I'll do that to plant the rest of my okra. And that's basically it. Add some compost, add some mulch, and you're good.